Hello, welcome to Cal Poly's Cal State Apply tutorial series. In this video, we'll be assisting you with creating an account. To begin, generally speaking, for your own security, you should not share your password or account information with anyone. Usernames and passwords are case sensitive. We do recommend using an email address that you check frequently to avoid missing important updates. However, this should not be a school email address. From the application homepage, we're going to click on Create an Account. We're going to enter our first and last name. If you only have one name, enter it in the applicable area. If you do not have a first name, enter a period. If you do not have a last name, enter a period. We're going to continue completing the required fields. And then we are going to create my account. Okay, our account has been successfully created, so we are going to continue to complete our extended profile. I'm going to go through and we are completing the required fields. And we're going to save our changes. From here, we're going to use the filters to find and select the programs to which you want to apply. Note that you can go back and change these selections at any point before you submit your application. When you are done selecting your programs, you're going to click Continue. Here, let's review our selections and then click Continue to My Application. Once your account has been created, you receive a CAS ID number. This appears in the top right corner of your application. If you need to contact customer service, provide this number to them so they can quickly find your application. Congratulations on creating your account and being ready to move forward with your application. Thank you for watching, and feel free to contact our office with any further questions. We wish you the best of luck.